Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to create a scene loading system, and for that purpose we have to create a new scene, and in that scene we will create a level select system. So for that purpose I have just imported one more asset, this one, low poly gladiators arena. You can use this one or any other asset you can use for this purpose, so just for environment. And now we will just duplicate the scene, and in scenes we have this work scene, and I will duplicate this scene. And the reason of duplicating this scene is that we have aim canvas, we have third person camera, we have game controller as well, although we don't need this game controller at all, and actually we don't need it at all. I will just delete it because it will create problems. We have VUI and that is fine. We should have this UI actually. Okay, so that's fine. So although we can also disable this UI in this scene, so I think we should disable this UI in this scene which we will create now. So I will just save the scene, save scene, and I will save scene as character select scene. No, sorry, not character select. We will name it level select. So level select scene, and here we will select the levels. So I will just character select scene, I will just delete it, and we are in a level select scene. So we want to open this scene when we will click on start at our main menu. Okay, so in this scene we will create a little environment. So for that purpose I will just I think I just drag drop that prefab. I will just go to this asset FST gladiators, and we can drag drop this prefab over here, and I will just test it that whether the size of this prefab is fine or not. And here you can see that if we add the player at somewhere here, so I will just test it out. So let's play the game, and here you can see it has no collider, also it is a smaller prefab. So we will just make it bigger, a little bit bigger, like this, and now I think it's good. Also we'll select the third person and we will make it here, and then we will select the this environment, which is this one, and we will add mesh collider to its objects. So we will select all the objects and then we will add mesh collider. So now we are these objects have mesh colliders. So now if we play the game, hopefully our player will not fall down, and let's see this. So yeah, that's nice. So our player didn't fall down, and also we have I think the size is quite good. Yeah, so that's fine. Size is quite good, and we will spawn our player right here. Okay, so that's nice. Also we can add we can configure some lightings issues. So we'll go to lighting settings, and I will just make it color, which is it's already is colored, and we will make it a little bit brighter. We can also increase the light intensity if we want, but I think it's absolutely fine. So let's test it one more time, and yeah, that's nice. So this is our level select scene, So from here we will select the levels. So that's nice. We will go to scenes, and then we will go to main menu again, and here in main menu we will create a object here. So create empty, and we will name it scene loader object, like this. Okay, so after creating this object we will add a script for this object. So we will go to scripts, and here we will create a C# script, and we will name it scene loader, like this. And before doing some scripting, we will create our canvas. So we will go to our Unity, and here under this scene loader we will create a canvas, UI canvas, and for this canvas we can just rename it to loading canvas, like this. So after this we will just create a panel. Actually we don't need panel. So for this canvas setting we will just change its setting to scale with screen size, and we will make it 1218 to 720, so it will be compatible with our devices. And then we will add UI image, and for this image we can just rename this image to background image, like this. And here we can just make it scale is fine actually, and I will just check the image whether that how much it is. So it's very small, you can see, very small. So we will just make it bigger, like this and like this. Okay, so now we will add some sprite to this image. So I will go to classic RPG, and here we have some sprites, and we don't need these sprites. I will just go to frame background. Yeah, this is good. So I think we have some backgrounds. Yeah, that's nice. Even actually we don't have loading screen background because it's this UI is made for RPG, so we don't have the nice background for this. So we will just, yeah, these backgrounds are quite good, I think. So we will add it simple background, and we will increase the transparency, which is already that is added. So that's nice. Here we will create a text, UI text, and we will add loading text here, like this. And we will change the font to endgame, and we will make its color to white, and we can make scale to 72. We can make it overflow as well. We can place this text in the middle, and that is in the middle, and from here we can align it in center, and that's it. This is our loading canvas. So now we can just hide this canvas by making it disable here, and on this scene loader game object we will place our script. So select the scene loader, and here we will add this script. On scene loader script we will first of all where it is, we didn't open the script, so we will double click to open the script inside Visual Studio. And first of all we will add using Unity engine .ui, because we are working with UI and scene management. Sorry, not UI, it's scene management, sorry. So we have to add scene management because we will work on scene management in this script. First of all we will create a public static method, and we will name it scene loader and instance, and actually this instance is, we have created this instance for scene loader, which is the name of this script. Okay, you can see scene loader, the same name we have created. So now we can use this instance into other scripts, and as well as we can enable the singleton methods. So we will create a singleton method for this process, and before that we will add public, sorry, not public, we will add serialized field, and we will add private game object, and we will say loading screen like this. Okay, so now inside after opt-in method we will just create a function void make singleton like this, and we will say that if instance is not equal to null, then what we will do, then we will say destroy game object, else instance equal to this. So here we are using singleton programming. So for more details you can go to our programming section, that playlist, and you can learn this in detail. So here we have added this game object. Now we will create one another function, and after this void make singleton we will create a function public void, and here we will say load scene function like this, and in load scene we will just simply get the scene manager dot load scene, and here we will name our scene. So here we will get scene name like this. Okay, so that's nice. Here we are getting the scene name. So we are not defining the scene name, we will define the scene name in a while. So for make singleton we have to add this function inside awake function. So void awake, and we will say make singleton. This function we will call this in awake function. And now we will move further, and what we will do, we will we will make some changes here for load scene function. No, actually load, yeah, we will just load, we can make it load scene or load level maybe, and then here we can name string, and we can get the name. So now we will make some changes here, and we will say level name, oh sorry, not level name, I'm just making the mistakes. Yeah, level name equal to, and we will name we will select the name of level, and then we will start coroutine, and we will create a coroutine function, and I will name it load level with name function. Okay, and right after this function we will create this coroutine. So here we will say I enumerator load level with name, and then in this coroutine we want to active load screen dot set active true, and scene manager dot load scene level name, level name, and then here we will say yield return new, wait for a second, and we will wait for 2.5 seconds. You can make it whatever you want, and here we will say loading screen dot set active should be false. After 2.5 seconds we will make it false again, and then we will go to our main menu menu controller, and here we can call a function. Okay, so here we can create another function, public void start game, and for this function we will say that scene loader dot instance dot load level, and we will type the name of the level which we want to load, and in this case we have we'll go to scenes and we have level select. Okay, yeah, level select, so we will name it level select. The exact name we will apply here, and now we are good to go. So yeah, so now here you can see scene loader, why it's not detecting level name, because we didn't have added the level name. So here we will say private int level name, like this, not level as int, it will be string actually, level name. So that's nice. Now we will move to our Unity, and inside Unity we will select our scene loader, and here you can see loading screen option. We will just drag drop this here. Okay, and also we need these scenes to be in build settings, so we will go to build settings, and here we will place main menu, then we will have level select menu for time. Okay, so now if we play the game, and yeah, actually we didn't have added the function on start button, so we will again go to start function button, which will be inside character panel, and this is the start button, and here we will drag drop this scene loader, sorry, not this scene loader, we will drag drop this main menu controller, because we have function on this main menu controller script. So here we will create character, and we will actually, sorry, menu controller, and here start game function. Okay, so actually yeah, this one, start game. So we will recheck menu controller and start game. Yeah, that's fine. So now if we play the game, then we will see what will happen. So we can see a nice transition in the beginning. We can go to play, we can create our character, and then if we click on accept, and then if we click on start, it should load the next level. So I have just clicked on start, but nothing happens, because we have this error that instance, I don't know which yeah, actually it's working, loading, and then it's load. Yeah, that's fine. So I will just delete these errors, we will play it again, and now if we click on start, hopefully it will work. Play, and for time we didn't add the functionality of spawning players, so we will add it in next video. So for time, if we click on start, you can see a nice loading bar, and then we are good to go. Okay, also you can see a UI here, and if you want to disable this UI, we can do that as well. And actually, because in this scene, level select scene, we have added this bodyguard. Okay, that's why it's opening that it's focus on that player. Okay, and in fact we don't need it here. So we will again go to main menu, and we will test it again, and we will only see the camera in next level. We don't want to see that UI and other things, although this UI is coming from VUI, which is actually inside level select, and this one VUI, we can just disable it, and then hopefully no UI will come here. And let's see, if we play the game, then hopefully everything will be fine. Play, start, and a nice loading screen, and that's it. We are in level select, and because camera is focused on this at this frame, so that's why we are seeing this frame. That's nice. And we have successfully selected load system inside our game. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.